tub, and it's valid for new members only, but you can get in shape just in time for summer, and it retails for $700. You're not going to spend that. Shamrock Aviation in North Adams. How about this? This is something cool. An introductory flight certificate. You pilot the airplane off the ground and get a feel for basic flight control, and that retails for $100. That might be something cool to try, and certainly not spend that. And from Dufour Tours, how about this? Dufour Tours is going to Fenway Park on July 25th. The Red Sox are taking on the Kansas City Royals. You get 2 tickets to the game, plus transportation too. $15.
You see her?
No, the window steam up real quick when you go outside.
Oh. Is it? Oh.
These items and plenty more on our website with our daily updated list, WUPE.com. And get ready for next weekend. The Great Radio Auction on
We're going to try to get down a little bit first.
Putting savings in motion.
Okay.